When using CCC Cool Cell Cleaner, the first step in the process is to turn on the Cool Cell recirculating system and allow it to run until the pads are wet. After all the pads have gotten wet, add 1 quart of CCC to the recirculation tank. Use 1 quart of CCC for every 100 gallons of water. Once this has been added to the recirculation tank, allow the system to circulate for 4 to 6 hours. Foaming is normal. After 4 to 6 hours of recirculation, turn off the system. The pads can sit overnight and be rinsed the next day if you prefer. When you're ready to rinse the pads, use a water hose with a spray nozzle attached. First, rinse the pads from the inside out, and then rinse them from the outside in. There's no need for a pressure washer. Once you've finished rinsing all of the pads, you can drain the system and refill it with fresh water. For heavy cleaning of Cool Cell pads, you can use a quick foam applicator to apply CCC Cool Cell Cleaner. The quick foam applicator is easily attached to a regular garden hose. The first step of this is to turn on the Cool Cell recirculating system and allow it to run until the pads are wet. Then you're going to use the quick foam applicator to foam 1 quart of CCC directly onto the Cool Cell pads. You'll allow the system to circulate for 6 to 8 hours. Foaming is normal. Turn off the system, and at this point you can leave the system sitting overnight and rinse the next day. When you're ready to rinse, use a water hose with a spray nozzle attached to first rinse the pads from the inside out and then to rinse them from the outside in. There's no need for a pressure washer. When you're finished rinsing all the pads, be sure to drain the system and refill with fresh water. A helpful hint is to make sure that you clean the filter located in the waterline above the recirculation tank before and after cleaning the Cool Cell pads.